Hello friends, given for the questions, right, you have to form using Gauss Jacobi method. What is Jacobi method? We have to find up a triangle matrix, right, in the given matrix. But if you say they have given 4 equation means 4 cross 4 matrix. It is a 4 cross 4 form matrix. Okay, let us find the 4 cross Jacobi method for the 4 cross 4 matrix. Let us write the matrix first. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Second equation. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2, 5. Cool. Okay. This is the equation. This we form the matrix, right? Okay. What we have to do means we have to find the upper triangle matrix. This one, these two terms, and these three terms should be equal to 0. Okay. To form the upper triangle matrix for a given 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. Now let us find the 4 cross 4 matrix. What we can do, right? We can write it as R2 such that R2 minus 2R1 equal to, say, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, it will be minus 3. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Or 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, right? Minus 4. Okay. R3 such that R3 minus 3R1. Okay. 3 minus 3 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3 0. And 4 minus 3 1. 7 minus 6 1. And here also you will get R4 such that R4 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 5 minus 2 3. Okay, this we have got. Okay, now what we can do for this equation, right? We have to make this term as 0 and this term as 0, these two terms. Okay, we can write it as this will be 6, sorry, 5 minus 4, it is 9, sorry, minus 9. Here will be minus 9. We can write it as R2 such that R2 divided by minus 3. So we will get 1 1 1 1 2 0 1 0 1 3, right? 0 minus 1 0 1 1. Okay. Okay. And lastly we get 0 minus 3 minus 4 1 3. Now R3 says that R3 plus R2. Okay, it will be 0, right? So then 1 1 1 1 2, and R2 as it is 0 1 0 1 3, and R3 plus R1 means 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 0 0 1 minus earth 1 plus 1 2 here, sorry, 2 and 4, and here R4 such that R4 plus 3 R2, R4 plus 3 R2, okay, so 0 minus 3 0 0, and this will also become 0, and 4 minus 0, see here will be minus 4, minus 4 only we will get here, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 9 minus 6. See, again I will discuss. Here is minus 4, it will be minus 1. Here is the lines. See, minus 4 0, 1 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 3, it will be plus 4, and here it will be 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3 12, plus 1 2, sorry friends, 1 2, and here R3 says that R4 says that R4 divided by 4, what will we get? It is, say, 1 1 1 1 2, 0 1 0 1 3, 0 0 0 1 2. We can write it as R3 says that R3 divided by 2, comma, R4 says that R4 divided by 4, 0 0 minus 1 1, and here it will be 4 3s are 2. Okay, and this is the matrix. Okay, from this matrix, okay, we will form a new matrix such that interchanging the row R3 R4, then we will get 1 1 1 1 2, 0 1 0 1 3, 0 0 minus 1 1 3, 0 0 0 1 2. If we interchange the row, we have to put minus outside, not equal to, it's a minus symbol. Now from this equation, here is a minus 1. Okay, R1 such that R1 minus R2. Okay, R1 says that R1 minus R2. What here? Minus 1 time of what is R1? 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 2 0 minus 1, and comma R2 says that R2 minus R3 R4, sorry, 0 1 0 0 1, and here it will be 0 or 3, 0 minus 1 1 3, and here it will be 0 0 0 1 2. We have to remove this one and this one also. How we can remove? We can remove this by this. It will be easy. Yeah. R4 says that, oh sorry, R3 says that R3 plus, oh sorry, R3 minus R4 equal to minus 1 time of 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 double 0 1. See, R3 minus R3 minus R4, 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 1 times 0 equal to 0, 3 minus 2 it will be 1, and here it will be 0 0 0 1 2. Therefore R1 says that R1 plus R3, okay, 1 plus R3, then minus 1 time of 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 0 0, and here it will be 0 1 0 0 1, 0 0 minus plus 1 0 minus 1. What I have comma R3 says that R3 divided by minus 1, 0 0 0 1 2. Okay, therefore now multiply minus, okay, keep it as minus outside, therefore minus time of it will be in terms of w x y z. No, this will be the root, therefore w x y z equals to minus times of minus 1 time of 0 1 minus 1 2, which will be equals to 0 minus 1 1 minus 2. Therefore w equals to 0, x equal to minus 1, y equals to 1, z equals to minus 2. I think this will be the solution. I think confirm, therefore I am not responsible if this answer is wrong, because I took this and I solved this, but maximum I did not found this type of question anywhere and anywhere, but hope this will be the right answer. Just hope. Hashtag hope. Please comment me who believe. Hashtag hope. Thank you.